For our patch, we have three main elements and two main colors. The first main element is the old movie projector. We chose this element because we wanted something to represent the history of film and filmmaking, and an old movie projector fit that category very nicely. The second main element of our patch is the 10 stars, which are there to represent each of the 10 members of our team. The reason we used stars was because as part of the process of performing our experiment, the whole team got together to do a photo shoot using the film and the cameras. So essentially, we got to be the stars of the show. Lastly, the third element is the ribbon across the middle. This ribbon holds the CAP symbol and High Altitude Balloon Challenge 2023 acronym to show that CAP and the High Altitude Balloon Challenge is like a bridge to the wealth of knowledge that you can gain from doing cool competitions like the High Altitude Balloon competition. As for the two main colors of our patch, we chose red and blue as the two main colors because these are the two of the three primary colors that are most commonly found in film.
Radiation and light are on the same scale. It's comparable to sound frequencies that we can hear, and then there are those sound frequencies you can't hear that dogs hear. We can see light, but on the scale there is also radiation, and it's exactly the same as light, besides the fact that we can't see it. Just like sound, and how we can hear some and can't hear others. So how does this apply to film? Radiation is the same as light, so it has the same effect as light and will darken the film accordingly as light would darken it, making the image brighter. Temperature has very little effect on our project. Although it can affect film worse if it is warm, we know it's rather cold in space, so the only effects cold has on it is making it brittle, and the humidity possibly damaging it. So cold will most likely not be a factor in our experiment because we will not be touching the film when it's cold, and there is hardly any amount of water in our little plastic vial of film.
The hypothesis our team came to is that there will not be a change to the film. This is because the effects are short-term or they won't be affected due to which stage the film is in.